Mole concept and molar mass. Mole concept is a very important concept which is to be done at first in order to understand how much of the atoms or molecules of a substance are present in a given amount of the substance. Mole concept as such doesn't have any fixed or any particular definition. It's a concept. It's a concept which has been given in order to have a very precise and accurate calculations of the number of the atoms and the molecules present in any amount of a substance. Also, it is the concept which relates the number of particles or atoms or molecules, ions, whatever they are, present in any given amount of the substance with their mass, and also it relates the volume of a gaseous substance with again its mass. So, three things: the number, the mass, and the volume of a substance, or of the number of the particles of a constituting particles of the substance present in its given volume or in given mass, can be interrelated with the help of this topic. Mole concept is first to be understood by a first term, which is actually is a simple term called mole. What exactly a mole is? See, it's a collection of 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 entities. Entities means it can be atoms or molecules or ions or particles, whatever it is. Now, what is important to note here is, like the terms we use as a dozen for indicating a number 12, we normally use as a fortnight for 2 weeks, 15 days. We normally say a month means 30 days. When we say decades, it's 10 years. Like these numbers have been given certain names. Similarly, this much big number has been given a name called mole. Now, since the number is very large, it means it has been given for indicating the number of the atoms or the molecules or the ions present in any substance. So, in order to indicate the number of the atoms, molecules, ions, or whatever they are present in any of the substance, this term mole has been given. Since these are very small, the number will be always very large, and this is how this term has been given. So, one mole is always a collection of these many particles or these many entities. The mole is explained in three different ways. The first is in terms of number of particles. Second is in terms of the mass of the substance, and third is in terms of the volume of the substance. Now let us take these three different types one by one, and then let us understand how these three are interrelated through a term called mole.